This raspberry sour cream coffee cake has a moist, dense, tender crumb, bursting with raspberries beneath its buttery, crisp streusel top crust, and scaled to fit a single serve 4-inch cast iron skillet. To prepare a seasoned room temperature mini skillet, rub butter evenly along the inside and coat in granulated sugar. To make the streusel topping, rub 15 grams brown sugar, 15 grams cold butter, 15 grams all-purpose flour, and a generous pinch of cinnamon between your fingers until the mixture is crumbly. In a separate bowl, make the batter. Cream 15 grams butter and 15 grams sugar together. Mix in 15 grams sour cream, a generous splash of vanilla extract, and an egg yolk. Add 25 grams flour, an eighth of a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt, stirring just until a thick batter forms. Then spread the batter on the bottom of the prepared skillet and press a layer of fresh raspberries into it, about 25 grams. Cover the skillet with the streusel topping and bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. The cake is done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean and the streusel is caramelized crisp, about 25 minutes. Let the coffee cake cool for at least 10 minutes before molding. Serve at room temperature or slightly warm with a scoop of ice cream.